Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Alina coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, February 1st, 2018. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 24 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 28 and a low of 4, with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
in sports. Last night, the Bulls lost to the Portland Trail Blazers by a score of 124 to 108. And the Blackhawks will play the Vancouver Canucks tonight at 9. Clubs meeting today are Primary Reading Club at 11:20 in room 201, Rube Goldberg Building Club in 212 at 12:05, and 5th grade Fuse Club in room 208 at 3 o'clock. Today's announcements are today's Pizza Thursday. Come down at lunch and buy a slice of pizza for only $2. Tomorrow is the 6th grade ice cream treat fundraiser. Ice cream treats will be sold during your lunchtime for $1. You will need a signed permission slip to buy these treats. Permission slips are available in the office. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer.
Thank you, Alina. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Thursday on this cold and windy morning. I guess the temperature is supposed to drop throughout the day, and I hear we might be getting some snow this weekend. That's exciting. Good morning, Audrey. How are you?
Good.
Good. Did you know that today is National Baked Alaska Day?
No.
Do you know what a baked Alaska is?
No.
It's an ice cream dessert. It's really good. So if you like ice cream and desserts, especially ones that are on fire a little bit, you could have a baked Alaska. Now you have a special announcement for us, don't you?
Yeah.
You want to tell us?
It's National Read Out Loud Day.
National Read Out Loud Day. What does that mean?
So you read out. It's like you read out loud. Like your teacher will read out loud to you today.
Okay. So we're encouraging all of the classrooms to have a read aloud today since it is World Read Aloud Day. Thank you. If you want to step off, and we've got our Classroom of the Week representatives coming on. They may look familiar because they did the pledge earlier today. How are you guys?
Good.
Did you know that today's National Serpent Day?
No.
Do you know what a serpent is? It's a snake. So it's like National Snake Day. Do you guys like snakes? You do? Oh, cool. You don't have one on you now, do you? You got a great big boa constrictor or something? Cool. All right, you guys are Classroom of the Week. You're going to tell us what you've been doing. You want to share with everybody what's going on in your classroom? But first, what classroom are you from?
108.
108. Who's your teacher?
Miss Mendoza.
Mrs. Mendoza. So why don't you tell us, say your name, and then nice and loud tell us what, you've got your notes here, what's going on in class. Who wants to start? All right, go ahead.
My name is Omar.
Omar, nice and loud, okay?
In writing, we used adjectives to describe our lost animals and make a poster. For science, we are writing about plant adaptations. Yesterday, a firefighter came.
A firefighter. Wow, that's exciting. You want to share your notes? Say your name nice and loud.
Gustavo.
Gustavo.
In reading, we are learning about who is
Telling. Who is telling? telling?
Telling
Mhm.
the story. We
Took.
took our
Chapter.
chapter 6 math
Test.
test about 10
Mhm.
and 1 and are
Starting.
starting chapter 7.
Nice. So you took a test yesterday, huh? How was it?
Good.
Was it hard or easy?
Hard.
It was hard? All right. Well, it sounds like you guys are starting chapter 7 now. It looks like there's a lot of cool things going on in first grade in room 108, Mrs. Mendoza's room. Thanks for sharing, guys. Appreciate it. Did you have fun saying the pledge today and sharing? Great job. That's all I have. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer.
You're welcome, Alina.
Thursday's thought is, who you were, who you are, and who you will become are 3 completely different people. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the first graders in room 108. Have a dedicated to learning Thursday.